Let's learn how to extract text with Helperbird.
Now what starts with the letter C?
Any text that appears in your browser can be extracted, even YouTube videos. Let's try this one.
Cares about the other things. C is for cookie. That's good enough for me.
Click the Helperbird icon and navigate to the Extract Text feature. Click the blue Start button and use your cursor to select any text that is appearing in your browser. That text is now saved to your clipboard. Additionally, you can toggle on to have your extracted text read aloud with text-to-speech.
That's good.
And you could have any extracted text saved to Helperbird's notes.
Now what starts with the letter C? Cookie starts with C. Let's think of other things that starts with C.